If they have the same mass, then why does this one keep reaching the bottom first? It has to do with how the mass is distributed inside the wheel. I have two wheels of equal mass. Watch as they roll down this ramp. We'll do that one more time. If they have the same mass, then why does this one keep reaching the bottom first? It has to do with how the mass is distributed inside the wheel. You can see that even though they weigh the same, this one has most of the mass on the outside, and this one has most of the mass in the center. When both wheels are at the top of the ramp, they both have the potential energy to roll down. It requires more of this energy to get wheel A, with its mass at the edges, to start spinning when compared to wheel B. This means that less of the energy is translated into linear speed, and wheel B, with its mass at the center, is able to reach the bottom faster. To experiment with these forces for yourself, all you need is a pencil and some weights. I'm using Play-Doh as my weight. First, pinch the pencil in the middle and wiggle it back and forth like this. Now try it again, but with weights near the center, and again with weights near the ends. Which way can you wiggle the pencil faster?